I hope you're discoing at the roller disco. Oh, one life to live, sweetheart. One life to live. You gotta do it with disco, I promise you. It will be much better. Glorious life to live at the roller disco. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're disco in. This is a market brief, and I'm gonna talk about silver as well because silver is a measurement of liquidity according to moi. Hope you're doing fine. I hope you're disco in. This is the VIX, and it's doing a pattern that worked 100% of the time in the last 5 years. 100% of the time. The pattern goes like this. You have a reversal pattern that comes with a bullish divergence, and you miss the oversold in the RSI, which is below 30, and after that, you have a bullish disco combo. You have an RSI over 50, stochastic over 20, and a bullish MACD. And this would happen when we break out of this pattern at 2150. Once you hit 2150, we will have a sell-off if history repeats itself. And I think it would. That worked 100% of the time. This will make news. Meaning, we might lose 3,000 points in the Dow if history repeats itself. Okay? So this worked 100% of the time. UUP, the ETF for the DXY, we are going through a broadening bottom, okay? A broadening bottom that has ABC, where C is 182 Fibonacci extension. Usually this will bring a lot of buyers, and that's what happened. And we have a reversal candle from red to green, and also was a very, very good price memory of this May-June 2022. And this might bring a lot of buyers. A lot of people are bearish now on the DXY, bullish in other currencies, and also complacent on the VIX. Usually when you hit that level, which we did sometimes Jan 13th, Friday the 13th, the level was 18. Sometimes it implies complacency, then explosive moves and sell off in the market. Okay, UUP, same thing. Okay, this is the Dow Jones, the Dow Jones Industrial. Okay, so a lot of bearish actions right here. First of all, we're gonna have a bearish discount combo very, very soon. And this will be maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, it will be complete. The RSI did hit 47, which is extremely, extremely bearish, especially when you come out of high reading as a 63 and this fast move, almost 2 days. So this is always ominous for the RSI. And this pattern will be complete once we have a bearish MACD, and I think we would by Friday, max. Okay, good deal. So what is extremely bearish about this picture? First of all, you have a distribution zone. You had a bull trap in December 13th, another bull trap in Jan 13th. It's 1 month. This is definitely a distribution zone. You had a fake out, boom, fake out boom, and we think we will test. I really think we're gonna go through this like knife, a hot knife in the butter now, a knife in hot butter. Okay, I think we will at least test this level right here in November 30th, at least. Okay. So what is bearish about this picture? Mostly this, this definitely bull traps. Okay, good deal. S&P 500, the same thing. You have a repeated pattern of failure at the 200-day moving average sell-off, 200-day moving average sell-off, 200-day moving average sell-off, now 200-day moving average, and we will have a sell-off. And I think also I think we're gonna test at least this number, which is 3,744 for the S&P, at least, the least. So a repeated bearish pattern. We are also waiting for the full-on disco combo. This might happen by maybe next Monday or Friday. Good, beautiful. Let me talk about silver. Silver is definitely, it is definitely the thing that made me bearish on the market all the way, because this is a repeated pattern all the time. The topping process happened all the time for silver, like 100% of the time in the past. You have a full measure move from this area in August to this low in September, and you have a full measure move, which is two perfect area, and you have now a bearish wedge. You break it, you broke it down, and you tested it, and you failed there. Okay, and also you have a one big reversal day right here, which is extremely important as well. Okay, boom, good. So that's for silver. This right here. Another thing, as I said before, usually you have a bearish pattern, and you always have a bearish divergence. You miss the 70 level like you did here in December. At the time of the bull trap in the Dow Jones, it's amazing, huh? So you missed it, and now once you get below 50, it will be the first time you go below 50 for the RSI since November 3rd. Okay, so an extreme breakdown from this bigger pattern of bearish wedge as well. So you have bearish divergence, bearish wedge, bearish disco combo, and you will go below 50 tomorrow, because this is a quantitative method in the past, and tomorrow you will register below 50, 100%. Also, it's one reversal day. You open higher than the previous day, and you trapped more bulls, and boom, you reversed. Okay, so silver definitely is showing me that you have lack of liquidity in the market, and you trap the bulls, and boom, you're gonna go down. I'm not really happy with to say that thing. I'm bearish also on TLT. I'm bearish on gold, silver, gold miners, the S&P, the Dow, everything. And I'm hurt when I do that. This is the SLV in the weekly, and this is usually a bearish pattern. You have these distribution days. Once you break 2101, this pattern is complete, and unfortunately we're gonna test some lows, maybe here, maybe there. We will see. We will change our minds as we go. I don't want to have any speculation. I don't want to have any speculative Elliott wave and all that nonsense. Although I love Elliott wave, but sometimes it gets you into a belief, and it traps you. So I just want to do conventional technical analysis. Once the bearish signals are there, I get bearish. When the bullish signals are there, I get bullish. Please like if you like. Please do like if you like, so I can upload more video and share, subscribe. And do remember that this goes forever!